Hi, I'm Mark Woehrle and I'm here today with Darla Yulden of Remax Escarpment.
We're here at Garth Trails Village. Our newest listing is a bungaloft with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths.
Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this home,
Or if you're interested in buying or selling in the greater Hamilton area,
please call us. My name is Mark Woehrle and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
and I'm Darla Yulden, and you can reach me at 289-888-1987.